Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw a LG logo. Okay, for the first, please activate some snap functions. There are three: snap, snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, next, first I want to start with a circle. Draw a circle. For the first circle is a big circle with diameter 84, so the radius will be a half of diameter 42. Okay, select circle center radius and type the radius 42. Left click on the screen to start to draw. Right click to escape, and then the next circle. Okay, the next circle diameter 70.8. Okay, select circle center with radius and type the radius 70.8 divided by 2 because the radius is a half of diameter. Okay, and left click at the center of our circle we have created before. Right click to escape. Okay, for the next, I want to use parallel line tool, and we will parallel with distance 3.5. Select parallel line tool and type the distance 3.5 and left click inside the circle. Okay, right click to escape. For now I want to create it is a horizontal and vertical lines. Select vertical for the first and type the length maybe 120 and select snap point middle. Left click at the center of our circle and select horizontal line, type the length 120, select snap point middle, left click at the center of our circle, right click to escape. Now use parallel line tool, select parallel, and I want to create a parallel line with the distance 3.5 divided by 2. Okay, type the distance 3.5 divided by 2. Left click at the right side of our vertical line and the left side or vertical line. Okay, next for horizontal. Okay, right click to escape. Now for the first I want to create this shape. Okay, yes, we got the distance for the shape is 12. Okay, select parallel line tool and type the distance 12. Left click near this line. Okay, 12. Okay, right click to escape. Now I think we should draw the line manually. Use 2 points tool. Left click again, left click and left click, right click to escape, right click again. Okay, I think I should delete this horizontal line. Okay, for the next, okay, I want to create this shape. It is word L. Okay, we get distance 18.4. Select parallel line tool and type the distance 18.4. Left click near the horizontal line at the bottom side. Okay, right click to escape. Now use parallel line tool again and type the distance 3.5. Left click at the upside of our horizontal line we have created before. Right click to escape. Now I want to create this one. Use parallel line tool and type the distance 36.8. Left click near the horizontal line at the bottom side. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, next we can draw the word L. Okay, use 2 points. Okay, left click, okay, left click, left click and right click to escape. Okay, right click again. For the next, I want to create this. Yes. Okay, I want to use divide tool. Select divide. Left click at the circle and the point. Left click again the circle and the point. Again the circle, the point, the circle and the point. Right click to escape. Now we can delete the shapes or the arch. Okay. Next, we'll use trim tool. Select trim. Left click at the arch and left click at the line you want to trim. Right click. Now select the line, trim again, and left click at the line you want to trim. Right click to escape. Right click again. Okay. Okay. I think we can delete this vertical lines. Okay. Next I want to create this small circle. Okay, we got distance 13.5. okay, use parallel. Oh, we have deleted the line. I think we should create a horizontal, vertical line again. And okay, that's yes. I'm sorry about. Next, the distance is 13.5. Select parallel line and type the distance 13.5. Left click near the horizontal line, and we got the point. It is the point, and then select circle center radius and type the radius. What is 10? Yes, 10. Type 10. Oh, 10 is not a radius, it is a diameter, so the radius will be 5. Okay, left click. Okay, the point. Right click to escape. Now we can delete unnecessary lines. Okay. Oh, this is a problem. Oh no. Okay, now I think we should use trim tool. Select trim. Left click at the line as a limiting or trim line, and left click at the arch we want to trim. Okay, right click to escape. Right click again. And for now, I want to give color for our drawing. Okay, select all the drawing and select hatch tool and mark a solid fill. Click OK. Yes, we got the shape. Okay, we can change the color. Select the color and select attributes and change the color, maybe red. Click OK. Okay. Okay, I think I think I need to change the color of the line. Yes. It's a good idea. Okay, change the color of the line. We should make it from the layer tool. Select the layer and select modify layer attributes and change the color for the layer. Okay. No. Oh, I think we should custom and select white. Select OK and click OK. Oh, there is no difference. Okay, I think I'm not sure about that. Okay, we cannot change the color because the background is white, so the color will be automatic. It will be black. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention in this video. Please support us with subscribe to our channel, LibreCAD tutorial channel. See you in next video. Bye.